What's up, guys? It's Larry the Mechanic here. I wanted to show y'all a little something that I did. This here is a lowering bracket. Now, I wasn't able to find any kind of videos online, on YouTube, nothing that would help me out. My motor was too short for this transom. Now, they make aftermarket transom risers to bring your motor up if you got a long shaft. This here's a short shaft motor, 17-inch from the transom down to the cavitation plate, 20-inch transom. So I'm sitting 3 inches too high, so I needed to lower it down. You can't really lower it down without cutting into your transom. I did not want to do that. This transom's in good shape. If I ever sell the boat, if I want to get a new motor, I don't want to ever have that issue. So here's what I did. Built me a little bracket. See, I got a metal support in here. This I'm going to redo, but I just wanted to mock this up. Threw some screws through here just to see if it would help kind of hold it in place a little better. Everything's bolted in, stainless. I wanted this to be steel. I didn't want to have any chances of these holes breaking, cracking them straight through, and anything allowing this motor to come off. So I got my aluminum for rust prevention. It's pretty strong, it's pretty thick aluminum. But I wanted to put some steel in there. I made sure I primed this all up, painted it, scuffed it first, and I just threw a bunch of bolts through, a couple supports. And as you can see, I can lower this. If I put another hole here, take these bolts out, I can lower this down. If I want to lower the motor more into the water, or if I want to rise it up. If I want to put it, put these holes here, I could turn this into a transom riser. So, worked perfectly. Took it out on the water. Works nicely. It doesn't vibrate. It doesn't shake. It's nice and sturdy. As you can see, pushing on it, the whole boat moves. There's no give at all. Everything's got locking washers on it. Yeah, it worked out really well. Hopefully this helps somebody out if they're looking for a way to get their motor lower down in the water. This is just a support. But yeah, I really like this motor. I didn't want to have to go out and find a new motor and, worry about trying to sell this one. I just wanted it to fit with this boat. Now it works. If I ever wanted to go back to this transom, I'd probably just leave this on there, leave these brackets on there, use it for, tie down straps or bungee cords to hold things on or whatever, hold the motor up if I need to. And then all this just unbolts. Easy peasy, just like that. Alright guys, if y'all like this video, go ahead and click subscribe. Give me a like, thumbs up. Y'all stay safe. Now I did take this out on the lake. I did open it wide open. Had this motor going about 17, 18 miles per hour. I was able to turn. See, this doesn't interfere with my transom at all. I can still sit here and drive. Gear shifter's fine. I got this thing raised up right now. That's why the angle's off a little bit, but it's that cavitation plate is perfectly in line with that transom. And yeah, it works great. There's no rattles, there's no noises, no popping sounds. I can turn left and right. It doesn't move at all. Doesn't splash water up. Works very well.